I love it when a plan comes together, and this one did. My daughter's super into origami lately, and she made this little gift card holder, and I was like, why can't I make that out of fabric? So I did. My template is literally a piece of printer paper, and I just cut 2 regular pieces of quilting cotton and then some Heat and Bond Light. Make sure you get the stuff that sticks to both sides of your fabric. See how it's shiny on this side? Now I'm going to place the other piece on top and just make a little sandwich. Once it's all good and stuck, we have to make a plan for those edges. So I went to my serger and just serged around all 4 sides. You can use a zigzag stitch if you don't have a serger. Now it's time to origami. Fold in half lengthwise and iron. Fold the middle edges to the middle, iron. Be precise here. Fold those corners in, iron. Now it wouldn't be a She Sews Seams project if we didn't sew a little bit. So I want you to sew across all 4 of those corners, just a little edge stitch real close to the edge, which is why it's called an edge stitch. Now fold the long edges in and edge stitch along those long edges, just real close to the edge. Do you guys even know what we're making? Did I even say it? It's a gift card holder, but it also doubles as like a wallet. Fold in half and then fold those edges in, okay? And then so you edge stitch along all 4 of those marked spots, and literally that's it, you guys. Holy moly, you sewing genius. Oh, I'm proud of you. Okay, so here's the gift card in it. If you want to make it cute, you could take a little piece of jute or twine and make a bow, or if you're extra, the way that I'm extra, you can add these little magnetic snaps to it, and that really gives it a nice finished look. Guys, this would be perfect to give a gift card to somebody in, and then it also is reusable. It's a great scrap buster. This is so perfect for the holidays. Bookmark it for later. Like and follow for more.